In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure pips in Ctrader. If you're trading forex, understanding exactly how many pips separate two price levels is essential for setting stop losses, take profits, and evaluating risk and reward. A pip is the standard unit of price movement in forex, typically the fourth decimal place on most pairs and the second decimal place on JPY pairs. The good news is that Ctrader can do the counting for you with a simple built-in tool, so you don't need to calculate anything manually. Start by opening Ctrader on your computer or browser so you're on the platform's main workspace. Once you're in, open a chart for the instrument you want to analyze. Any time frame will work, so choose the one that matches your trading plan. It helps to maximize the chart and zoom in or out so you can clearly see the levels you care about, whether that's a recent swing high and low or your planned entry and target. Next, select the crosshair tool from the charts toolbar or press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. You'll know it's active when your mouse pointer changes to a fine cross with horizontal and vertical guidelines that track across the chart. This tool is designed to give you precise price and time readings at any point on the chart. Move the crosshair to your starting price level. That could be your entry, a candle wick, or a key level you've marked. Take a moment to align the crosshair carefully with the exact price on the right-hand scale. If needed, zoom in a notch for finer control, especially on volatile instruments where each pip is meaningful. Now click and drag from that starting point to your ending price level. As you drag, Ctrader displays a small readout that includes the vertical distance between the 2 points in pips, the exact price difference, and the horizontal distance in bars or time. For measuring pips, focus on the vertical pip value. That number is the pip distance between your two levels, independent of how far you moved left or right on the chart. When you're lining up to exact prices, watch the price scale and the crosshair's horizontal guideline to match the level precisely. A quick tip: on pairs with 5 decimal places, a pip is still the 4th decimal place, and Ctrader's crosshair readout accounts for that automatically, so you can trust the pip number it shows. The same goes for JPY pairs, where a pip is 0.1. Use this method to measure potential stops and targets quickly and verify that your trade plan's risk-to-reward ratio makes sense. That's all you need to measure pips quickly and accurately in Ctrader.